There are moments in nature that quietly rewrite everything we think we know. Moments that do not roar, do not fight, do not win by force. They simply care. This is not a story about survival of the fittest. It is a story about survival of the kindest. Across forests, savannas, oceans, and human homes, there are rare and astonishing moments when instinct pauses and compassion steps forward. When predators become protectors. When species boundaries dissolve. When nurture overrules nature. Imagine a lioness lying beneath the African sun. Her body built to hunt, her teeth designed to kill. And beside her, an antelope calf. Alive, protected, nursed. No chase. No blood. No fear. Only warmth. This is not a myth. This happened, and it is only the beginning. Nature runs on instinct, hunger, fear, reproduction, territory. These rules have shaped life for millions of years. And yet, every so often, something interrupts the script. A newborn's cry, a vulnerability too familiar to ignore, a hormonal switch that fires without checking species labels. And suddenly, the predator does not see prey. It sees a child. In Kenya's Samburu National Reserve, rangers witnessed something they could not explain. A lioness named Kamunyak approached a newborn oryx calf. The calf froze. The mother fled. Everyone expected the inevitable. Instead, the lioness gently lifted the calf, cleaned it, guarded it, and defended it from other lions. Each time the calf was taken away for its safety, Kamunyak returned and adopted another orphan. Again and again, she chose protection over predation. Not once, not twice, repeatedly. This was not hunger suppression. This was something deeper. Scientists believe moments like these are driven by biology rather than morality. Oxytocin, the bonding hormone, floods the brain during birth, nursing, and caregiving. When an animal has recently given birth or lost its young, the brain becomes primed to respond to distress signals. A cry is a cry. A newborn is a newborn. The brain does not always ask what species this is. It asks only whether this life needs care. In sanctuaries and zoos, another impossible bond has occurred. Tiger cubs, rejected or abandoned by their biological mothers, were placed beside domestic dogs. The dogs nursed them, slept beside them, protected them. The cubs learned warmth before danger, safety before strength. The dogs behaved as if this was the most natural role in the world. No confusion, no hesitation, only devotion. Not all extraordinary adoptions happen in the wild. Some happen in backyards and homes. A hen raising kittens, a cat nursing ducklings, a pig adopting puppies. These animals share no DNA, no language, no destiny. But they share care, and sometimes, care is enough. Some bonds are not parental but protective. An elephant walking beside a stray dog. A macaque guiding a capybara. A dolphin supporting an injured human. These are not acts of parenting but guardianship. Moments where one species steps into a role it never evolved to fill. Because intelligence sometimes creates responsibility. Neuroscience tells us empathy is not uniquely human. Mirror neurons activate when we observe distress. Social animals are wired to respond. Empathy evolved to protect the group. But occasionally, it spills beyond the group. And when it does, we witness something rare: altruism without benefit. No survival advantage, no genetic gain, only connection. From an evolutionary perspective, these acts make no sense. They consume energy, increase risk, and offer no reproductive reward. And yet, they happen. Perhaps they are mistakes. Or perhaps they are reminders that life is not only about efficiency, but about relationship. When humans watch these stories, something shifts. Because we recognize ourselves. Foster parents, adoptive families, caregivers who step in when biology steps away. These animals are not acting like humans. They are revealing that compassion itself is older than humanity. Nature does not preach. It does not explain. It demonstrates. And what it shows us here is simple. Connection does not require sameness. Care does not require permission. Love does not ask for species. In a world obsessed with division, these quiet moments whisper another truth. That empathy is not fragile. It is resilient. It crosses teeth and claws, fur and feathers, instinct and fear. And if nature, brutal and unsentimental nature, can choose compassion, then perhaps so can we. Nature does not teach through words. It teaches through examples. And sometimes, the smallest act of care becomes the loudest lesson of all.